Hi, welcome to the fourth online PowerPoint lesson. In this video series, we'll teach you the basics of Microsoft PowerPoint throughout various videos. The functions in PowerPoint that are the same as in Word will not be repeated in this lesson. If you want to learn more about those functions, you should watch the Microsoft Word videos. In this first video, you will learn how to customize the PowerPoint toolbar and different ways to view presentations. The custom slideshow bar is used if you want to have more or less the same PowerPoint, but for different occasions. For example, you want to give 2 lessons about the same topic to 2 groups. Only the second group does not need to see the middle part of the slideshow. You can then make a custom slideshow for this group. It is also possible to change the order of the slides. If you, for example, you need to start the second time with information that is in the middle of the slideshow. So to do that, we'll go to Slideshow, and here you can go Customize Slideshow. Let's make some more slides first. So title, introduction, let's type it correct, introduction, like this, and here we'll do body 1, body 2, or no, let's do body 1 again. No, let's just section, new slides, body 2, body 2, and ending. Now let's add some sections. Add sections, ending. Let's add a section here. Body 2. Section here. Body 1. And an introduction here. Intro. Rename, just like that. So now we have our slideshow. Now let's make it more customized. We go to Slideshow, Customize Slideshow, and we'll make a new one. And we want this customized slideshow, and for example, we want in this the title, the introductions, and the body, and the ending. So now we have this, and press OK. So now we want also another slideshow 2, and in this we want the introductions, body 2. We want all of them. Only body 2 needs to be before body 1. So like this. So now you have a customized slideshow. We'll see title, introduction, body 1, body 2, and ending. And if we now go to customize slideshow, show 2, we have title, introduction, body 2, body 1, ending. Like this. So now you have the same PowerPoint presentation but slightly altered. And this way you don't need to make a new PowerPoint presentation, you can just slightly edit it like this. So here you can also hide slides, and you can also do it by pressing with your right mouse click here and press hide slide. Hide slide, so that way if you now present it, you will see it stops at body 2, because those 2 slides are not showing. Setup slideshow is not really used. so we won't pay that much attention to it. Next we have rehearse timing. Rehearse timing can be useful if you want to set up a presentation to play at a certain speed without having to click through the slides yourself. It also gives you the opportunity to practice your talking points. Using this feature you can save timing for each slide and animation. PowerPoint will then play the presentation automatically using these timings. So here you can rehearse the timing, and then maybe it will take 5 or let's say 10 seconds to use this. Press pause. We'll continue. I'll press here to the next slide. So now this timing has been saved. So this way you can easily rehearse your timing through PowerPoint. Next you can record your slideshow. The record slideshow feature is similar to the rehearse timings feature, but is a little bit more comprehensive. If you have a microphone for your computer, you can record a voiceover narration for the entire presentation. This is useful if you want to use your slideshow as a self-running presentation or video. For example, you can record scoring slide or from the beginning, or you can clear it. And if you change your mind about including a slide timing or narration, you can easily remove one or both. You can do it clear. You can clear the timing on this slide and on all the slides. For example, record from the beginning. You can now record if you press here, you can now record it. And here, for example, you can draw now on your presentation. And if we move on, you can also draw here. And for example, stop. So now we have a video like that. So now we have a whole video here, and you can show that video. Press play now. It will play the video. And this is a really great function that it will play the video. That way you can make the PowerPoint and video. That way you can just record slideshow. You can record it. Like this is important. Blah 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 blah. Look at this and this. Pause, stop, and just now if I press this one, like this is important, blah 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 blah, look at this and this. So that way you can like make your PowerPoint into one big video. You can also record a slide by pressing. You can do that here. Another thing you can do is do screen recording, but we already covered that. Another thing is check accessibility. Checks how accessible a document is. So missing titles, slides or alternative text are shown here. So that way you see this slide is missing an alternative text. And use caption, so it shows you what things need to be added to this, so you can add it. For example, missing alternative text. So that way you can see how accessible your document is or your PowerPoint. Another thing you can do is change how you would view it. You can change the view of slides depending on what you would like. This is completely personal. Outline, slide order, so you have sections like this, so you see what slides are in each section. And note page, more like a paper format. Also have show. If you're more into design, this function can help you. For example, the ruler. Now you can ink grid lines and guides. This way you can easily place things in a certain position, because you can see where the things are placed. The next really nice editing you can do is edit toolbar. Between the icons, press the right mouse and press on customize toolbar. So between the icons, customize quick access toolbar. So that's this one, just press it. And now you can edit the toolbar, and those are these functions. Here you can add or remove functions from the toolbar. For example, I have a shortcut for a new slide in my toolbar. Furthermore, the option to play a slide from the current slideshow is also in my toolbar. What you prefer is completely up to you. For example, here you have start from this slide, and you can just add it, and also add new slides as well, and maybe a copy or cut can also be there as well. To add the function, press on the function you would like and then press add, and now it's added. You can also remove it by pressing here, add, and you can just press this if you want to move it up or down. So if you now press up, you see it's now presented here. So if I press this one, it will play from this slide and not from the beginning, like here. So thank you for watching the fourth and last video of this Microsoft PowerPoint series. I hope you enjoyed the videos and you learned something from it. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel, you can check out those video series as well.